If you want to start a website this year, you've probably hit a wall trying to figure out exactly what web hosting is, and more importantly, how to actually buy it without getting ripped off. You don't need any tech skills or a computer science degree to understand this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what web hosting is, and I'll show you step by step how to buy your first setup today.
Think of the internet like a giant city. If you want to open a business in this city, you need two things. First, you need an address so people can find you. That is your domain name, like yourwebsite.com. Second, you need to rent a physical piece of land to build your store on and store all your products. That land is your web hosting.
When you buy web hosting, you are simply renting space on a giant, powerful computer that stays on 24/7. When someone types in your address, that computer serves up your website to them. Now that you know what it is, how do you buy it? When you go shopping for hosting, you're going to see a million different technical words. Ignore almost all of them. As a beginner, you only need to care about three things. Uptime, is your site going to stay online? Customer support, can you get help if you click the wrong button? And price. Let's actually buy it right now. For beginners, I recommend Namecheap.com, affiliate link in the description, because their interface is the easiest to use. Watch my screen. We are going to go to their homepage. Click sign up or sign in if you already have an account.
Once you're logged in, head over to the hosting section in the main menu and click on shared hosting. Now select their most basic beginner option. You do not need the expensive pro upgrades when you are just starting. We are going to choose Stellar Plan as it's the cheapest and allows us to host up to 3 websites. If you aren't planning on doing this for a long term, then go with the 30-day free trial and be sure to cancel it 3 days prior to renewal. Otherwise, select a yearly as it's going to save you additional 61% of the money. Your total at this point should be less than $30.
Oh, and one more thing. If you pay for the hosting for a full year, you get a free complimentary domain with it. All you have to do is find the one that matches your keyword.
For beginners, I would suggest you to just pick any domain which has the cheapest renewal cost, and not worry about the extensions like .com, .ai, or .io. You're buying a domain for practice purposes. Once you're ready to build your idea, then you can go ahead and buy the domain that fits your product.
In my experience, Namecheap delivers 100% uptime compared to the competitors.
Which means they guarantee that your website will always display to your user, and not 99% of the time, which most other hosting providers do. And you get free SSL for up to 1 year for any domains added to this plan.
There are also free website hosting sites. I'm gonna be real with you. Avoid these if you can. They are slow, constantly crashing, lack basic security, and barely have any features. But if you really need a free option right now, here are a few of the best ones: GitHub Pages, Cloudflare, WordPress, Netlify.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment any questions that you may have. Catch you later.